All right, bud. Come on. We need something. What are we going to do? We got to find some good energy, some good juju.
I'm going to take the magic touch back.
Okay, that's it. Hands off.
What was yours? Page 2?
No, you did page 1, Mickey, row 1, Q1 is what you did. So.
And then you...
That's when I clicked it.
All right,
so now you pick one.
Come
on, guys. Let's go. Let's get there. You go. You're on.
Oh, let's do something crazy.
There you go. See, maybe that's it, right? Just pick. Just random picks.
Crazy.
Crazy random. All right. Continue. Maybe that's the trick, right?
What will it be?
What will it be? Is it ready for us? There we go. Now it's ready. Let's get it done.
I hope I take it from you.
I mean, I do too. You could take the magic touch. Whatever gets us really great characters. This is it. This is it. This is it. Right here, right?
I have it.
Rare Pluto. We have Rare Pluto, right? We do. Oh, we have all the rares. Oh, we have all the rares.
Oh, yeah.
I lose track. Aw. But he's still cute.
Yeah.
Oh, not a bad cereal.
Wait, do we open him?
We did open a Pluto, but not that one, no. All right, so there we go.
Wait, that's
Yeah.
Right, okay.
But we've seen Pluto come out of the packaging, so let's hang on to this one for now. And let's hopefully get some new stuff. I know people want to see, like, they want to see a video where you have to open like 3 or 4 cubes because we keep getting new stuff.
We want some... don't you mean we keep getting old stuff?
We want to get new stuff, right? All right. We'll see.
All right.